The secretary, the legal secretary, Andiswa Mengo, has told the Judicial Tribunal probing her sexual harassment allegations against Eastern Cape Judge President Selby Mbenenge that she feels emotionally burdened. She said the experience stripped her of her dignity. Let's listen in.
It broke me. It took away my dignity. It took away the kindness that I have always shown good colleagues
to my colleagues
and people around. Indikhulule yandikrazula. It left me naked.
Okay. Okay, and it tore me apart.
Juniour Khumalo monitoring the developments there at that tribunal, and he joins me in studio this afternoon. Junior, a tearful Andiswa Mengo describing how this whole saga has affected her, and talk to us about the conversation, or it's actually less of a conversation, a cross-examination, and a hard one at that, because the lawyer representing the accused judge president was holding nothing back.
Indeed, it was Advocate Muzi Sikhakhane who was representing the judge president of the Eastern Cape, Selby Mbenenge. He did not pull any punches. He is trying to make sure that his client actually gets away scot-free when it comes to this situation. That's what he is meant to do in such a situation. But basically trying to paint a picture of how the witness herself had failed on numerous occasions to make it clear to the judge president that she was not a willing participant in the conversations that were happening, especially via WhatsApp text, because he said that there were about 4 or 5 inappropriate messages that had been sent by his client. So he does not deny that his client sent some of these inappropriate messages, but he says that the witness had never at any point said that this is not welcome. Instead, the witness, feeling that she had pressure to impress this person because this person was her boss, there's that power dynamics, she actually seemed to encourage this, according to Advocate Muzi Sikhakhane. So he put it across to her that why did you not? At some points, there were some points where you did not respond to the judge president. Yeah. So why did you not respond, stop responding? If you felt that the judge president was being inappropriate, instead of being rude, then you could have just stopped responding. To which we've heard her on many occasions say that it's the power dynamic that made her feel like she was not able to ignore this man, because also at some instances he had started the conversation by bringing up work-related matters. Yeah. So she felt she had to respond to some of this. But also there was a point where the advocate tried to paint the witness as a woman scorned, because he said that you got into an argument with the manager, the court manager in the Eastern Cape. Once you got into that argument with that woman, you expected the judge president to intervene. You spoke to the judge president, and the judge president, instead of intervening, you saw him hugging this woman in his chambers. Once you saw that, basically, this is what made you paint this picture, I guess, about a judge president who was sexually harassing you. So it seemed like he was trying to paint a picture of a woman scorned who is now basically getting back at the judge.
Very briefly, the cross-examination, does it continue?
Indeed, it's expected to continue tomorrow until most of this week actually is going to be set out for cross-examination. We are of the understanding that these proceedings might actually continue beyond the Friday deadline that had been set. They might actually continue in May.
Juniour Khumalo, following the Judicial Conduct Tribunal against Judge Selby Mbenenge, the Judge President of the Eastern Cape Bench. Thank you very much for your time.